Calculation of output of craft beer brewed by beer equipment. The output of beer brewing depends on the type and size of the brewing equipment. Brew batch, brew type, fermenter size, quantity, and beer fermentation cycle are factors to consider. Tiantai brewers will share how to choose brewing equipment reasonably to produce beer output. 1. Calculation of brewing output of mashing equipment. Beer equipment for bars, restaurants, breweries, etc. generally uses 500L or 1000L equipment. 1-2 batches are mashed per day. Due to the intensity of labor, 1 batch is actually used per day. The factory beer equipment is a multi-vessel mashing equipment, multi-batch brewing, rotating production. Therefore, the size of the brewing equipment determines the size of the brewing batch. 2. Fermentation tank size and quantity. The fermentation time of craft beer is 7 to 15 days, with 500L beer equipment as an example. According to the fermentation period of 12 days, 6 500-liter fermentation tanks were selected. In the case of ensuring that there is no breakage, the daily output is 500 times 6 divided by 12 is equal to 250. Yield calculations are derived from the following formula. Daily output equals volume of fermentation tank times number of fermentation tanks divided by beer fermentation time. It is suitable for beer equipment of different volumes and can be calculated according to the method we provide. The above is the calculation method of beer production. If you want to know more, please leave a message.